Good morning everyone, I am Pooja Bhatkurki. I am from Government First Grade College, Vijaypur. So today I am here to present a paper presentation on the topic Structure of Mutual Fund in India. So first, what is mutual fund? A mutual fund is a professionally managed investment scheme which is run by asset management company and brings together a group of people and invest their money in various securities, bonds and stocks. So this is about mutual fund. So now let us move to the structure of mutual fund. The structure of mutual fund consists of three layers. The first is the fund sponsor, and the second is trust and trustees, and the third is asset management company. So the first is fund sponsor. The fund sponsor is a person or entity which creates mutual fund to earn money in fund management, and the sponsor is a promoter, and the sponsor must take permission from the SEBI. So there are four eligibility criteria given by SEBI. So the first is he must have 5 years of experience in financial services and his net worth should be positive. And the second is his last net worth should be greater than the capital contribution of asset management company. And the third is the last 3 years net worth should be profit. And the fourth is he must have at least 40% share in the net worth of the asset management company. So this is about fund sponsor. Now second is trust and trustees. So the second layer in the structure of mutual fund. So the trust is created by the fund sponsor in favor of the trustees through a document called trust deed. And the trust is managed by the trustees and they are answerable to investors. And mutual fund activities are monitored by the asset management company, and the asset management company is under trust, and the activities of the asset management company are reported every 6 months to SEBI. So this is about the trust and trustees. So now let us move to the asset management company. So the asset management company is a third layer in the structure of mutual fund in India. So the asset management company acts as a fund manager, and the asset management company is responsible for the fund management in mutual fund, and it provides various services to the investors, and it manages funds of the investors. And next is that it provides services like brokers, registrars, agents, lawyers, etc. This is all about the three layers of the mutual fund structure of mutual fund in India. Apart from this, there are other components like custodian, registrars and transfer agents, auditors and brokers. So who is custodian? Custodian is a person who safeguards the securities in the mutual fund. And next, registrar and transfer agents. So registrar and transfer agents are the entities which provide services in the mutual fund. They are like operational arm in the mutual fund. And the third is auditors. So auditors will keep the records of books of accounts and also keep annual reports of various schemes. And the last is brokers. So the asset management company uses the services of brokers to buy and sell the securities. So this is all about the structure of mutual fund in India. Thank you.